What up guys, your boy Jim at 95 with another video. In today's video we will be installing some good old brand new LED side markers and diode dynamics. Now let me cut the engine because it's obviously loud. Sounds like a damn jet engine. Back to the video. I'm gonna install these brand new LED ones. As you guys can see, that's the stock one, the brand new LED ones. Fills it up, but you guys will see that when I am done. So, opening the box, stickers, some stuff, and the meat and potatoes, what we really care about, right? So I decided to go with this one because not many people have this one. Sorry, a plane was passing by. So a lot of people smoke it out. But with this, let's see, yeah, that's gonna look different right there, white on white. The only other person who I've seen done this, and I'm kind of not mad, but I guess I'm kind of mad that I took so long to do it, is MDG Collections. Shout out to him. He is a wicked wide body Hellcat Daytona, but he's the only other person I've seen done it. Everyone else is either smoke or the OEM color, the orange and red. I'll show you the install process, just a quick, so you can see basically what I have to go through to get it done, or what you may need. It is a DIY project, it's all about DIYs on here, helping you guys out, and mods, give you guys some good ideas for some mods. So I'm gonna turn the wheel and get that started. To the right, turn the lights off now. All right, let's get started. All right guys, so first things first, I'm gonna prop these prongs out because obviously when I get to this, this should be bolted in by some sort of nut. I don't know what size, but I'll see when I get there. I'm just getting a flathead because I don't have a prior removal tool or whatever. There we go, easy. So I ordered these back in December, but they were on some back order. Then come to find out, these were actually setting off sensor lights, the engine or ABS or one of those lights on the dashboard with some malfunction. So Diode Dynamics canceled production based on their YouTube video. They canceled production of making these, and they fixed it. It was some malfunction in there that would set the check engine light or one of those dashboard lights off. Let's see if I can tuck this. That works. So let me see what I need back here. All right guys, so it looks like a T20. I was thinking it was a hex or like a regular Phillips, but it's actually a T. So righty tighty, lefty loosey. I'm gonna loosen this up. It looked like 2 bolts. Probably should show you guys. So here's the first bolt right here, good old T20. I'll put that down so you guys can see what's going on back here. So from the outside of the light, there's one right here and the second one right here. So wide angle view with 2. It's plenty of space back here. You could get one of these right here, torque wrench, or not torque wrench, torque screwdriver, whatever you want to call it. Not a mechanic, but you get the idea. Boom, look at this. 5 years old, this thing hasn't come out. So looking at it, you see the difference. I'm gonna turn the lights on so you guys can see the difference of how it looks when it's on. The lights are on, look at that. Wow, full strip. And this does reflect at night, even when it's off. It does have that reflective material. I don't know layman terms for it. And then 1 dot. So obviously way better. I'm gonna put this on. It's in, and then we're gonna put it back through these 2 holes and screw it in. Oops. But you get the idea. Alright guys, so what I had to do was I had to take it back out. I had to take the light back out. I'll just show you on this one. I had to take it back out. As you can see, there's no grooves in there. So I had to take it out, put the screw in, and screw it in to force the screw to make grooves within the plastic, because trying to do it while it's in here, it was difficult for me. Maybe I'm special, but so that's what I had to do first. So that may help you guys if you guys plan to do this on your own and experiencing problems. That's a little tip, you know, to help you guys out. Take the, you know, put the screws, put it in the lights first, and then like pre-screw it in to create grooves for the screw to travel after you put it back in the socket or the housing. And look, much easier going in. Alright guys, so as you can see, it's in, it's snug, it's tight. Again, T20. This is it for the front. I'm gonna put these back in, and just like that, that one's in. Only got 3 more to go. Let's grab a back one, which is one of these. Head to the back. Boom. Actually, this one's upside down. As you guys can see, the top shape is different than the bottom shape. The pointy part was at the top, so, and the round at the bottom. So go grab the other one. Now, same thing. Ah, great. I have mud guards. Totally forgot. So I guess I'll have to pop out the mud guards as well. Let's see how this goes. As you can see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 for the mud guards, 5, 6 up here. So I'll pop it out, see how that goes. All right, guys, I got all the push pins out. It was a lot of work. Jeez, a lot of work, a lot of dust. So just like the front, take this, I'm gonna tuck it behind the wheel if I can. These wheels are freaking huge, man. I need 2 hands. Oh, I just put it in the tire thread. Just put it within the tire thread there, and then I'm gonna get the T20, unscrew it, and then put it in. Alright guys, so a little bit of hiccup. I was using this with the T20. I had to go by this. You see the difference in how short it is? Because back here, there's not enough room to work with back here. So now, it should be able to have a little bit more room, or a lot more room actually. So I'm gonna put the camera down, try to unscrew the 2 bolts, and show you guys how it looks. And you see how much better that looks. Boom, perfect. But just like before, we're gonna take these screws and just dig all the way in to the new light, so that it's a lot easier to drill, especially with this limited space that I have. We're screwing. Alrighty guys, the install is finished. Some good old fingerprints, but as you can see, it's getting dark out, so I had to kind of hurry up. But you can see the difference, the stock and the, actually let me get a light so you guys can see the reflection. Alrighty, so reflection wise, I could see it. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but the white does reflect. It does reflect while it's off. So obviously if your car is parked or whatnot, you still don't have to worry about it. It's kind of like the white tape. Where is it? I have it back here. Yeah, it's kind of like the white tape I got back there. But yeah, definitely reflects. But you can see the red, show the yellow. And then the yellow. Don't mind that Ford in the video. But, and I'll show you the other side. You guys can see the difference. With the red dot. Back to the yellow dot. And back to the yellow line. And to the red line. Now I'm gonna do the other side and finish up before it gets dark. Alright guys, time to look at the final product. As you can see, boom, it looks way better in person. So that's the front. The front's super easy. The rear, oh man, the rear is a pain in the butt. I had to, you can't see it, actually I have my flashlight. The rear, I had to break all those rivets off because it's just too much. Break them all off, go to Advance and buy new ones. But I mean, looks phenomenal. Can't complain. Iconic J-Mac. Same thing right there. The rear, break these off, but came out looking nice. Can't complain. And then the front, another DIY project successfully completed. You can see it's nighttime, so obviously it took a while, but it's definitely worth it. But as always guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.